In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly transfer your funds from Stripe directly to your bank account. Whether you're a standard Stripe user, which includes most merchants, or using the Stripe Connect platform as an express or connected account, I've got all the steps you need to make this process smooth and trouble-free. Let's start with those of you using a standard Stripe account. First, let's talk about setting up your payouts. The initial thing you'll need to do is add your bank account information. You can do this by navigating to your Stripe dashboard, clicking on Settings, and then selecting Bank Accounts and Currencies. It's crucial that the bank account you add matches the country of your Stripe account, so be sure to double-check that detail. After you've set up your bank account, you might be curious about when you'll receive your first payout. Typically, Stripe sends out your first payout between 7 to 14 days after your first successful charge. This time frame, however, can vary based on the risk profile of your region, so just keep that in mind as you anticipate your first transaction. Next, let's explore the different payout schedules available to you. Stripe offers automatic payouts, which can be scheduled daily, weekly, or monthly. With this option, Stripe will send your available balance according to the schedule you set. If you prefer a more hands-on approach, you can opt for manual payouts. To do this, simply toggle off automatic payouts in your settings and go to the Balance section. Then click on the Payouts tab. You'll see your available balance displayed, and you can click the Payout button to send it to your bank account. Generally, funds for manual payouts arrive in your bank account within 1 to 4 business days. Now, if you're eligible, there's also an option for instant payouts, which can be a game changer for those in need of immediate access to funds. Instant payouts are available in select countries, including the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, European Union countries, and Australia. To initiate an instant payout, go to your dashboard, click on Balance, and choose Payout Funds Instantly. You simply enter the amount you'd like to transfer within the limits set by Stripe, select the bank account or debit card you want to use, and then confirm the transaction. With this feature, your funds typically arrive in about 30 minutes. However, do note that a small convenience fee, usually around 1 to 1.5%, applies for using instant payouts. That wraps up our guide for standard Stripe users. I hope these steps give you a clear understanding of how to transfer your funds to your bank account efficiently. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on managing your finances with Stripe.